Chicken, carrot, coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken recipes and one of the most unique of the carrot recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most different of the coconut milk recipes. Today we are going to make chicken, carrot, coconut milk rice. The ingredients are around 850 grams of chicken cut into pieces. The next ingredients are around 200 grams of carrot cut into pieces, 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, 1 green chili, 1 onion cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 10 shallots, 25 grams of ginger. Heat the pan, pour in 10 ml of oil, let the oil get heated. Put in the onions. Now put in the ginger, the garlic, the shallots, saute. salt. Salt and mix the ginger, garlic and the shallots with the onions. Put in half a spoon of mixture of spices. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Mix in the mixture of spices. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly salt and mix. Put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Put in the carrots. Salt and mix. In the tomato pieces and the green chili. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Mix the tomato pieces, green chili and carrot pieces nicely with the rest of the mixture. Mix the chicken pieces in our space. The rest of the mixture. Slowly mix. Now pour in 250 ml of coconut milk. Thoroughly mix the coconut milk into the mixture. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 45 to 50 minutes. Leave in a pan or 10 to 12 minutes if in a pressure cooker. After 45 minutes, mix put in the curry leaves, mix thoroughly. Now put in 1 cup of washed and soaked rice. Into the mixture. Mix the rice thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the chicken, carrot, coconut milk rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final chicken, carrot, coconut milk rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the fried rice recipes and one of the most unique of the chicken recipes and one of the most tastiest of the carrot recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chicken fried rice recipes and one of the most different of the coconut milk recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.